Event simulation, included as a part of Fusion 360's simulation extension offering, provides an even greater expanded set of capabilities over nonlinear stress. By including the dimension of time, these simulation types can accurately examine transient responses to collisions, accelerations, and other nonlinear time-dependent loads. This means predicting behavior from drop tests, ballistic impacts, or even compliant and flexible structures like living hinges and snap closures. Fusion 360's fully automated contact solver tracks and calculates part interactions, including self-collisions. These complex studies are renowned for being resource-intensive, but with the multi-threaded cloud solve, results are calculated and returned in very short order. Simulation extension users gain even more value with unlimited access to these cloud solves, with no per-solve cost involved. Whether you're a seasoned CAE analyst or just starting out, Fusion 360's event simulation tool is a powerful yet easy-to-use study type. All this and more in the Fusion 360 simulation extension.